Most men heard everything I just said and will do nothing. The 1% who actually use these secrets, they don't chase women anymore. Women chase them. Brother, stop scrolling for 15 minutes or stay average forever. What if the exact woman who's ignoring your text right now started obsessing over you in the next 7 days? Not because you chased harder, but because you finally learned the 4 dark charisma secrets that make her terrified of losing you. Most men will watch this, nod, then go right back to simping. If that's you, close the video. But if you're ready to become man she wakes up thinking about, oh, she's scared will disappear, stay with me. This is Far From Weak. Today, I'm handing you the exact 4 dark charisma secrets that turned weak, anxious, nice men into ghosts she can't get out of her head. 99% of men are too scared to use the void technique. You don't ignore her. You become a void she desperately wants to fill. Stop replying instantly. Stop double texting. Stop being available 24/7. When you suddenly pull back radio silence for 48 to 72 hours, her brain goes into panic mode. Science calls it intermittent reinforcement. I call it making her addicted. One of my students used this on a girl who was too busy for him. He vanished 5 days. No explanation. Day 6, she sent 11 messages plus a voice note sounding nervous. That's the power of the void. She went from ignoring him to fearing she already lost him. Warning, this only works if you actually have a life worth disappearing into. Gym, mama, mission. If your life is empty, the void is just loneliness. Fill it first. Warning. Secret number 2 is where weak men crumble and kings rise. Iron frame control. Never let her emotions control the frame. You control hers. She tests you. She gets emotional. She throws drama. Most men fold, apologize, chase. You stay ice cold, calm, unshakable. That's not being mean. That's them being a man with unbreakable frame. She says you never make time for me. Weak man, baby, I'm sorry, I'll do better. Strong man, he holds his frame. Looks her dead in the eyes, slight smirk, I make time for what matters. Then changes the subject. Watch how fast her respect level jumps. Marcus Aurelius didn't chase approval. Neither should you. Your frame is your empire. Defend it like your life depends on it, because your attraction does. Secret number 3 is the one that makes her stomach drop. Controlled indifference. You care, but never more than she does. Outcome independence on steroids. She cancels plans, she gives attitude, you smile and walk away. She sees other guys, you don't flinch. That indifference is pure dark charisma. It drives women insane. My friend was in a situationship. Girl kept him on the hook. He started acting like he had 10 of the options. Suddenly, she's the one double texting. He went from backup plan to the prize she was terrified of losing then. Most men are terrified of being alone. That fear leaks into everything. Kill the fear. Become so indifferent to her validation that she starts begging for yours. Final secret, the darkest and most powerful of all, shadow magnetism. You don't chase light. You become the shadow every woman secretly craves. This is the dangerous masculine energy society tried to kill in you. Deep voice, slow movements, piercing eye contact. You walk into a room and don't say much, but every woman feels it. This is how to activate it. Lift heavy until your body screams power. Speak 30% less, like every word will hit like a hammer. Hold eye contact 2 seconds longer than comfortable. Move like you own the ground you walk on. Women don't fear losing nice guys. They fear losing the man feels like danger wrapped in discipline. That's you after today. You can find all 4 secrets and watch what happens. She'll start checking your last saying. She'll double text first. She'll fear you waking up one day and realizing she's not enough. Right now, pause this video. Look at yourself in the mirror and say out loud, I am no longer available for average. I am the man she fears losing. Most men heard everything I just said and will do nothing. The 1% who actually use these secrets, they don't chase women anymore. Women chase them. If you're still here, you're not most men. You're different. You're becoming far from weak. But listen, these secrets are weapons. Use them on the wrong woman and you'll attract chaos. Use them with discipline, and you'll attract queens who worship the ground you walk on. Drop boy, I deactivated in the comments if you're starting the 4 secrets today. I read every single one. Smash that like button if this video just woke something dangerous inside you. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Next week, I'm dropping something more deep insights. One last truth before you go. The man she fears losing isn't the loudest. He's the quietest, the strongest, the one who doesn't need her. That's you now. Go apply Secret R1 tonight. Disappear into your mission. Watch how fast her fear of losing you turns into obsession. Remember, weakness is a choice. Strength is a decision. You're no longer weak. You are no longer average. You are the man she fears losing. See you in the next one, Kings. Stay far from weak.
Ah!